How's it going? We're out here in Almaden Valley. We're putting in a new garden, and from time to time we get the opportunity to install other designers' plans. And in this case, we are working with Living Landscape Designs, run by Jennifer Clark-Culfer, and she's come up with some really creative ways of reusing this concrete that I'm standing on. And when she came up with this plan, she knew exactly who to call, which is Bay Maples, to come up with some really great ways to incorporate her design into this new project. So we're going to be using this stone to create a walkway, a small retaining wall, and use the small broken up cobble rocks in place of regular cobbles in our rain garden. So I'm standing in front of the concrete that was the previous walkway on the side of the house and part of the driveway. And what we did was, instead of just breaking it up in a bunch of small pieces, we strategically broke them up into medium and large size sections to make them easier to use as stepping stones, which is going to connect the side of the driveway to the side of the house into the backyard. We try to vary the sizes so it didn't look too similar through each step, and it makes it nice and easy to roll the garbage cans, a wheelbarrow, and step across it without creating a lot of tripping hazards. So it may look like a big pile of concrete right now, but Eduardo, Bruce, and Leo are going to make some magic out of this and turn this into a beautiful walkway.
Been working through them a little bit, so we're a little low on the big pieces at the moment, but we're mosaicing it all in.
Sometimes I already know, I have my vision, which one is gonna go there. So when soon they bring in the dolly, I just told it, I want that one here. The other way is put in the side, and I can just go looking for myself.
We are setting our foundation, putting some base rock down, compacting it, laying some base rock and some sand. We got Eduardo in the back here, getting everything laid out. Gonna make this look really primo. Super excited to see how it's gonna come out. It's gonna be a really fun installation. Just showing you guys one more really creative way of how you can reuse this concrete, keep this material out of the landfill, and still make it look really, really good.